Hello, it's Ken here from Disc Golf Shopping. Today I'm reviewing this yellow Blizzard Champion Ape. This disc weighs 140. That is not 190, it's 140. And it really feels light. It's made by Innova, and it's their Blizzard Champion plastic. This plastic is very light, and this plastic is normally really good for beginners because just like if you're bowling, it's a lot easier to throw this disc versus like a bowling ball. I actually do not carry this disc in my bag. The Blizzard, its shape is very narrow. It's kind of like the Wraith. So you need a pretty strong arm for this disc. My friend Matt, he actually carries a Champion and a Blizzard Champion plastic, and he throws those basically every distance drive. He uses the Blizzard Champion in no wind, and then when it's pretty windy he switches off to a Champion Ape. Like I said, I would only recommend this to someone who has a strong arm. Blizzard actually throws out a note that says that it's not recommended for beginners or anyone who throws less than 300 feet. I'd say 250 for the Blizzard Champion because, like I said, it's a little bit easier to throw. But then when you go to the Champion, 300 feet or higher probably. So that's my review. Until next time.